A new cyberespionage campaign has been discovered spreading the Voldemort backdoor, which utilizes Google Sheets for command and control of infected systems while stealing data. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. This malware goes by the name Voldemort, and it uses some clever techniques to carry out its malicious activities while remaining hidden. According to researchers at Proofpoint, Voldemort distribution began on August 5th and has so far delivered over 20,000 phishing emails to more than 70 targeted organizations across multiple industries. Some of the most targeted sectors include insurance, aerospace, transportation, and education. While the threat actor behind Voldemort remains unknown, Proofpoint believes the objective is likely cyber espionage. So how exactly is Voldemort being spread? Well, the attackers have been crafting very convincing phishing emails that impersonate legitimate tax authorities from the targeted organization's home country. They include links to fake tax documents related to that region. When users click these links, they are redirected through various sites until finally launching the malware payload in a clever way. Once executed, Voldemort acts as a full-featured backdoor with robust command and control capabilities. It has a long list of supported operations like directory scanning, file downloads, uploads, command execution, and file operations, just to name a few. But one thing that really stood out to researchers is how Voldemort handles command and control. Rather than using standard protocols, it leverages the popular collaboration tool, Google Sheets. That's right, Google Sheets. Each infected system has a unique identifier that correlates it to a specific cell or range of cells within a sheet. The malware communicates with these cells to retrieve new commands and also exfiltrate stolen data to a centralized location. This allows the attackers to easily manage breached assets from a single web interface. It also makes the C2 communications much harder to detect since Google Sheets traffic is commonplace in many organizations. Now let me explain the technical process a bit more. When the initial phishing link is clicked, it uses some redirection tricks to disguise the final payload before launching it as a legitimate program using DLL sideloading. It tricks the user into thinking files are locally stored when in reality, they are served remotely over WebDAV. This Python installer script collects system info while showing a decoy PDF to mask what's really happening. It then downloads a genuine Cisco app alongside the malicious Voldemort DLL to load it unseen. Pretty sneaky, right? By abusing common enterprise tools and living entirely in memory, Voldemort flies under the radar of many security defenses. And the Google Sheets C2 provides high availability and an easily managed command interface. This campaign shows how threat actors continue innovating new TTPs to avoid detection. In terms of protecting against Voldemort, some recommendations include restricting access to external file sharing when possible, monitoring suspicious PowerShell usage, and blocking Cloudflare connections unless essential. And of course, be extra vigilant of phishing emails impersonating authorities from your region during tax season. With cybercrime on the rise, no company is safe from threat actors, and events like these continue to being an almost daily occurrence. This is why we have partnered with Stonefly to offer daily security review subscribers a special promo on Stonefly backup and disaster recovery solutions. Get a 98 terabytes. Veeam, ready, immutable, and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $9,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Don't forget to subscribe and check back for more cybersecurity news and analysis. And as always, thanks for watching.